Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of It's Bandit O'Clock Series 2. I bet most of you are thinking, wow, Shroomy's got this bike back together quick, but it's not actually my bike. You might remember Bill from the last episode who was helping me with the gearbox. This is actually his Bandit. We've got loads of Bandits here. It's more Bandits than we can shake a stick at, but I'm going to use his as an example because it's slightly more together than mine at the moment. So this week, I want to talk about seats. Now, as most Bandit owners probably know, the seats go. They rip here, they go around the front of the seat there. Mine, this is actually the seat off of my Bandit, has gone round the back, and it's actually a replacement cover anyway. It's not the first cover it's had on, because it actually says Suzuki across the back, which it doesn't as standard. So they all go. It's one of those things. I think most Bandit owners have had this problem, or if they haven't had this problem, they're probably going to have it at some point. So we have been contacted by the guys at Lucky 7 Moto. Now they actually do seat covering. They'll recover your seat. They do lots of different materials. They do leathers, vinyls and all sorts of different stuff. And they can even repair the foam that's been damaged due to water ingress. I know in the past I've put tape over here, but it doesn't help, and then the foam gets all wet and it actually starts to degrade and fall apart. So they've actually kindly offered to reupholster the seat for the Bandit, because they said the rest of it's going to look really good, all the bits I'm doing to it, so it'd be a shame to let it down with the seat. So let's get this one off. Right, time to take the seat off and throw it over to Lucky 7 because they're only just down the road from us. So now the seat's off, I suppose it's time to have a cup of tea. They said it should only take a week to get the seat done, so time for a cuppa. Haha! We have one new, freshly reupholstered Bandit seat. Now, that does look rather good. So should we put it on? There we go. I'm super happy with the job Steve's done at Lucky 7 Moto. Steve actually used to work for Aston Martin as an upholsterer by trade for many years, so the quality is really good, and you can tell that by the work he's done. The stitching's lovely. He's even remade the strap there. He's put a two-tone seat on because I said, you know, do what you do best, or what you think will be best for me, because Steve is a biker as well. He's made some absolutely beautiful bikes over the years for himself and for customers. It's well worth checking him out on Facebook. But yeah, he's done a lovely job, and he has said that the material he's used at the front is nice and flexible, and it'll be a lot less prone to splitting like the original seat wheel and some of the aftermarket ones that you get as well. So this should last me many years to come, which is a bit of a thing with my Bandit. I want the bike to last lots of years because this isn't a bike I'm going to be getting rid of. So to have it be really nice and have a nice seat that I'm not going to have to keep replacing is going to be a big bonus for me. So yeah, absolutely love this. Most people will want to know, what is the cost? Well, for Steve to work his magic, to reupholster it, repair the foam that was damaged where it been damaged by water, he did all that. It is £95, which I don't think's too bad actually, considering, you know, he used to work for Aston Martin and the job he does is unreal. You know, it's just feels so nice, and yeah, I'm really happy with that. He said his normal turnaround time is about a week, which I don't think is too bad at all either, considering he's doing it to your seat and repairing your seat. It's not just a production line being rolled off. Everyone's handmade just for you. So the one thing Steve did say to mention is there are a few things he doesn't do with seats, and one of those things is he doesn't do embroidery, so you can't have Bandit across it and bits and bobs like that. But the best thing to do is drop him a message and see what he can do on your seat. A slightly shorter video this week. We're waiting on the bits for the gearbox to turn up. I've made a decision on what I'm going to do with the gearbox, but you'll have to find out when I sort that out next. So if you want any of the contact details for Lucky 7 Moto, they will be in the description. You could like and comment and share like you guys have been doing. We've been getting some great comments over the last couple of weeks. We really do appreciate them. Thank you very much. So yeah, until next time, we'll see you later.